the prep zone. Today, girls volleyball at Salmon High School. The Lady Spartans are here to take on, normally we'd say, a crosstown rival. This rivalry is .3, a little less than 1/3 of a mile away across Pontchartrain Boulevard. First Baptist Christian Lady Eagles come here in a pre-district matchup to take on the Salmon Lady Spartans. Pre-game with Coach Kyle Cahill. Coach, a couple of games under your belt. How are your girls doing?
I think we've had a little trouble with getting used to just rotation stuff. But I think we're starting to settle down. People are starting to have fun. I think we were too wrapped up in the game, but it seems like we're starting to have fun at practice and things are changing. And I think this is a good team for us to play, especially since I used to coach for them. I think this is the game where we turn it around.
What are some of the things that you're working on specifically? You know, first hits, sets. What are some of the things that you have identified here early in the season that need to be, you need to improve on?
Oh, serve receive, no doubt. We serve receive and pass the ball, and obviously we can get the ball to Kalani, good things can happen. And I think if we could serve receive, because defensively we're always there. Passing and defense isn't too bad, but our serve receive needs to improve. If we improve our serve receive, we'll be in good shape.
Pre-game with Coach Britt Hederman. Coach, it's early in the season. What are you seeing out of your girls?
Well, right now I see a lot of potential. Right now we're just some small things. Main thing being communication. Girls getting used to each other in the wrong spot sometimes. So we're working on that, we're getting better, but I do think we have potential to be pretty competitive. We just got to work out the small things.
Working on the small things. But there's a tall thing, or I should say person, on the other side of the net who's going to present a problem today. Kalani Brown. What can you do to work around Kalani?
Well, and you're absolutely right. She's an extremely good athlete, and she's a game changer. So we're just going to try to do some things in our rotation and things like that to maybe offset that, give us some better chances, you know, and we'll see how it works out.
A pre-district matchup between the Lady Eagles and the Lady Spartans. Olivia Godan serving. That one's going to go out, and a quick 1-0 lead for the Lady Spartans. A scant 3/10 of a mile, less than 1/3 of a mile away, right up the street. A brisk walk will get you there in a few minutes. Brianna Freeman on the serve. Excuse me, that was Paris Brown on that serve. And we're tied up at 1. So the game opens with 2 service errors. Both coaches know that that's not a good way to start the game. Cheyenne Lentz now to serve for Coach Hederman's team. Brown going to get set in the middle. The big left, he powers it down. And a 2-1 lead for the Lady Spartans. Jordan Earhart has rotated back to serve. Big hit, nice dig right there from Madison Jones. And Lillian Mireles kind of caught off guard there, and we're tied at 2. Set number 1, the best 3 out of 5. Leanne Hoffman to serve. And that one into the net from Kalani Brown. Brown was just trying to pop it up so Jordan Earhart could set her up. Didn't work that time. Leanne Hoffman to serve 3-2. First Baptist. Back set. Brown gets it over. This one's got to go over. It does. Good dig, good point here, back and forth. They're trying to keep it high and away from Kalani Brown. Brown handcuffs Leanne Hoffman, and we're tied at 3. And Kalani has rotated in the back line, something Coach Ederman probably likes. Not so much Coach Cahill. Jump serve from the lefty, and that handcuffs the Lady Eagles. 4-3 Lady Spartans. Big hit, nice serve off the jump for a point from Kalani Brown. 5-3 lead. Kalani again. Good serve. That one's going to go out. So as much as I was saying that it's good Kalani is off of the front line, unable to block plays or make kills, she's been pretty dynamite here on the serve. She took a little bit off of that one and caught First Baptist off guard. 7-3 now, as Kalani has run off 4 service points in a row for the Lady Spartans. Good hit there, is an ace. 8-3, we have a timeout. Early in set number 1, Lady Spartans up 8-3. If you look over across the way, you'll see Coach Holly Warlick and 2 of her assistants, University of Tennessee women's basketball program, Lady Volunteers, on hand to watch 6'5" Kalani Brown in action, playing a little volleyball. They're doing a little recruiting here at Salmon. All right, so you see that Kalani Brown is heavily recruited. That's out. The timeout worked for Coach Ederman. Threw Kalani off her ground. Yes, Kalani's being heavily recruited by the biggest and best programs in the nation. Tennessee, of course, being one of those. I'm sure down the way here we'll see a few more before it's all over with. Fredericks on the serve. Jacqueline Fredericks with a good serve that's not returned. And an 8-5 lead for the Lady Spartans. Fredericks again. Good hit. Miralez with the good dig. Big hit coming here. Cross court. Out. Godin went cross court, unable to get it in. Point for the Lady Spartans. 9-5 now, the lead. And Lillian Miralez will serve it up for Coach Cahill's squad. Godin, cross court. Kalani Brown unable to corral that one. Lauren Thirstrup to serve. Brown from the back line. Thirstrup, good dig. This one's got to go over Miralez. Earhart with the set. That one's popped over by Brown, Paris Brown. Big hit there. Olivia Godin with some power of her own right there, driving that one into the court. 9-7 the lead for the Lady Spartans, and Thirstrup will serve again. Godan setting her up. Little dink right there. They're going to go back to Godan. She goes for the dink herself and catches everybody off a guard. Off guard. Wow. Nice play there by Olivia. Olivia Godan can show she can power it down and she can finesse it down. This one off the net, playable. Just keep it alive is the key. This one's got to go over. Kalani Brown gets it over. Here's the set in the middle. That one's going to find an opening. That one dropped right in there from Caitlin LaFollette. And Thurstrup will serve with the score tied at 9. Brown. Big hit. This one can be played. Even if it hits in the rafters, it can be played out of the rafters as long as it doesn't go to the other side. If you can play it on your side and have the right amount of hits, you get 3 to get it over. If you don't get it over in 3, obviously no. And a lead for the Lady Eagles at 10-9 now. Brown from the back line. Nice dig from Jones. Mireles cannot save that. And a 2-point lead now for First Baptist, who are on a roll. 6 straight points. Thurstrup on the serve. Godan took a little bit off of it. This one's got to go over. Good save there. Brown, big hit. Madison Jones could not dig that one out. And the Lady Spartans are within 1 of the Lady Eagles. Elia Garrett on the serve. Brown catches the tape and catches Lauren Thurstrup off balance. We are tied at 11. We were tied a bunch early at 1, at 2, and at 3. And Salmon went out in front, and then First Baptist came back, and now we're tied again at 9 and now 11. Pretty evenly matched. Good play there by Earhart and a good dig. That one's going to be out. Serve off the net and a point. (13-11), 2-point lead now for the Lady Eagles. They went up a couple of points before. Lady Spartans tied it up, and now they're back, and there's a question with the official maybe about the rotation. Madison Jones served that last one. We're going back. Checking it with everyone concerned on the bench. Everything proves out to be okay. 13-11. Madison Jones to serve. That one goes over.
that one was out of bounds. It did not go inside those antennas that are provided for the out of bounds. So point to the Lady Spartans. They trail by 1, and Marissa Brown is serving. Back set for Jones. And Kalani Brown. Lead back to 2 for the Lady Eagles. Olivia Godin to serve. Kalani Brown, dig from Jones, and we have a violation, a double hit, and it's 14-13. Paris Brown to serve. And we have a side out, a double hit again. We're tied at 14. Last tied at 11, now tied at 14. Pretty evenly matched, these teams. Serve from Paris Brown. That one's going to go over. Good dig there. Another one, but that one's not going to get over. 15-14, Lady Eagles. Cheyenne Lentz to serve. Back set for Brown, who comes up. Good dig, kept it alive. This one's got to go over. This one's got to go over. Both teams having to play it out all the way to 3 to get it over. Kalani Brown with some good placage right there. Saw an opening in the back and placed it right where she was. Excellent placage. We're tied at 15. A seesaw match today at Salmon High School. That one is going to be out. Point Lady Spartans. Brown, good save, but not twice. Cheyenne Lentz hit it right back to Kalani Brown, and she said, no, 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 don't give me 2 shots at it. Jordan Earhart serving. That one's going to be long. 17-16. Unforced service error there from Earhart gives the Lady Eagles the serve. A rotation side out and a point. Leanne Hoffman to serve. And we're going to have a double hit, yes. And we're back to tied at 17 this time. Hoffman to serve again. Double hit. Both hands have to strike the ball at the same time. If it hits one and then the other, even though it's close, that's a double hit, sorry. That's a point for the other team. And there you go. Kalani Brown said enough of that. Good set that time. We're tied at 18. Set number 1, best 3 out of 5. Brown back to serve. Garrett unable to get that one over, and the lead goes back to First Baptist, and Jacqueline Fredericks will serve. Pretty stout serve, good dig by Kalani Brown. Jones, big hit right there. Fredericks with a nice hit from the back line, puts her team out 20-18. And Jacqueline Fredericks will serve again. Got a pretty stout serve, does Fredericks. Brown, nice dig from Fredericks. Godin. Good point here, both teams. Mireles unable to control. 21-18. We have a timeout. Coach Cahill wants to talk it over with his team down 3 here late in set number 1. Coming out of the timeout, Fredericks will serve. She's got a rocket serve. Salmon unable to get that one over, 22-18. And Jacqueline Fredericks has become a weapon here late in game set number 1, excuse me. And that one rockets in, an ace. And a 5-point lead now for the Lady Eagles. And Fredericks heating up. And finally the Lady Spartans cool them off, 23-19. And Lillian Mireles will serve. For the Lady Spartans, down 4 late in set number 1. And she gets a service winner. 23-20. Return of serve, a problem for both teams today. Mireles to serve. She gets back-to-back points. 23-21 now. Coach Hederman says timeout. We cannot afford to let them get any closer. 2-point lead for First Baptist over Salmon here, set number 1 late. Serve from Mireles. Gets the Lady Spartans within 1 as this match is tightening up again. One team got ahead 4 or 5 points. The other team comes back and ties it up, and they go ahead 4 or 5 points. Then it's back and forth, and now it's close to the end. Who's going to be able to finish it off? Godin pops it over. Took a little bit off of that one. 24-22 now. Set point right here for the Lady Eagles. Lauren Thirstrup, a left-hander to serve. She pops one up. Back set for Kalani Brown, nets it. And set number 1 goes to First Baptist, 25-22.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state, facilities with the latest technology, safe and secure schools, a variety of sports, fine arts, and learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Set number 2 about to get underway. Marissa Brown to serve for the Lady Spartans, down 1-0. And they start off with a point. Set number 1 was a close one. Ends up being 25-22. Jacqueline Fredericks came up big for First Baptist. Here she is again to start the second set with a kill from the back line. Fredericks ran off a bunch of points serving and handcuffed the Lady Spartans, and she starts set number 2 off with a kill. Godin on the service, long. 2-1. Point to the Lady Eagles. Cheyenne Lenz checks in to serve. We are 2-2 set number 2. Lenz, Brown, Earhart Brown. 3-2. Lady Spartans. That's the third or fourth time that's happened where Kalani Brown makes a dig and gets the ball set up to Jordan Earhart, and she sets up Kalani for the kill. Nice block up front. Leanne Hoffman. Hoffman coming up big right there. She rotates back, she gets the service, and a point for the Lady Eagles, who got a little spark out of that. Marissa Brown, Earhart, Kalani Brown, in turn, handcuffs Leanne Hoffman. Hoffman, 4-4 now. And Kalani Brown will serve. Fredericks gets it over. Kalani Brown, Jordan Earhart to Kalani. That one was in. Five, 4. As Kalani Brown gets another kill. Kalani will serve again. That one's too long. Fredericks will serve. And Jacqueline gets herself another ace, service ace. Kalani Brown with the kill. 7-6. First Baptist ahead, and Lillian Mireles will serve. Six the score. After some discussions with the official, that point puts the Lady Spartans up 7-6. And Mireles will serve again. Into the net. That time ties it up. Another unforced service error. Lauren Thirstrup to serve. Point, that's a carry. Yes, point to Salmon. She pushed that one rather than hit it and carried along the way. 8-7 Lady Spartans. Garrett to serve. Good block at the net from Marissa Brown. Godin tries to dink it over. Kalani Brown with the kill. Garrett on the serve again. Brown pushes it deep. Fredericks from the back line with a big strike. Jacqueline Fredericks making a strong statement there. Madison Jones in to serve for the Lady Eagles. They're down by one. It's been pretty much seesaw here in both sets so far. That serve from Jones handcuffed Mireles, and we're tied at 9. You are in the prep zone. First Baptist Lady Eagles are the visitors, and the Salmon Lady Spartans are the homestanding team. Nice hit from the back line from Madison Jones. Lady Eagles are feeling pretty confident when they can powder that thing from the back line and not have it returned. Builds that confidence. Jones. That one at the net. Earhart. This one can be played. Got to go over here. Mireles back set. Kalani says, just get it over. Hoffman. Oh, that went a little awry off of Earhart on the set. 11-9 now. First Baptist, Jones serving. Earhart gets it over. Jones. Hoffman gets it over. Oh, that one was not expected by Fredericks to be coming to her. Lady Spartans get a point. They trail by 1, and Marissa Brown is serving. Kalani Brown called for being over the net. 12-10 now. First Baptist. Godin serving. Opening for a point. Boom, right there. The Lady Eagles extend it 13-10, and Olivia Godin will serve. Kill there for Kalani Brown, and that gets the Lady Spartans back within 2. Paris Brown to serve. And that does not go over. Another unforced service error. 14-11 now. First Baptist. Cheyenne Lentz check back in and will serve. That's back to back. So both teams committing unforced service errors. That's happened in both sets now. Serve from Earhart is in. The return gets back over the net and catches the Lady Spartans off guard. Reaction late on that play from Salmon. Leanne Hoffman to serve. Earhart, Brown, cross court. That one's played in. And there you go. Big block there. 15-13 now. The First Baptist lead down to 2. Jump serve coming from Kalani Brown. Good dig by Jones. Frederick. (16-13) now. First Baptist. Frederick, who's been a terror as a server, will get a chance. She's a rocket going there. Kalani Brown cannot control. 4-point lead now. Big serve. At the net, and that's a point to First Baptist. We have a timeout. It's 18-13, set number 2. First Baptist up, and they lead 1-0. Frederick with a rocket serve coming out of the timeout. Out. Lady Eagles building the lead now. And momentarily, the Lady Spartans has stopped that run by the Lady Eagles. But they still trail by 5. Mireles to serve. Kalani Brown with a kill. Mireles. Frederick. A backline kill, finding the opening. 20 to 15. 5-point lead for the Lady Eagles. Lauren Thirstrup will serve. Godin. Godin proves why you cannot give her a second chance, as she will hit it and you will have a hard time returning it. 21-15 now. First Baptist. Nice dig by Jones. Godin. That one's out. 21-16. Big hit. That's going to be out. Fredericks, who's had a lot of big hits, that one a little long. Garrett on the serve. And that backline kill, big play right there. Serve back to the Lady Eagles, and Madison Jones will serve. Too many hits there. Double hit out of Earhart. 23-17. Jones on the serve. 24-17. And it's set point and set number 2 already up 1-0. The Lady Eagles can take a commanding lead here with a point. But not before Kalani Brown answers with a kill of her own. 6 points down now, the Lady Spartans. Marissa Brown. The lead down to 5 points now. Lead is down to 4 points now, but it is still set point. That's the 3rd set point in a row that they've played off. Fredericks, good dig, but I think it's out. It is 25-20, set number 2 to First Baptist Christian School. The Lady Eagles lead 2-0. Set number 3 about to get underway. That one's out. Godin serve does not find the court. And the Lady Spartans have an early 1-0 lead. In set number 3, they trail 2-0. Lillian Miralez will serve. Lady Spartans. Service return has been a big factor for both teams, unable to get some serves back. Frederick blocked by Kalani Brown. And that's one of the few times that they've attacked Kalani Brown at the net. Normally they pop it up over her reach or dump it off to the right or left of her and don't really attack her. 3-0. Miralez with the serve and the dig. Frederick, see, popped it up over her that time. And First Baptist cannot get it over. 4-0 lead now. Miralez. .5-0 quickly. You can see a little bit of worry on Coach Hederman's face here. He doesn't want his girls to relax with a 2-set lead. Doesn't want the momentum. That one's in. 6-0. He doesn't want the momentum that they have coming out of winning 2 close sets to roll back over towards the Lady Spartans. And right now, that's what's happening early in set number 3. And Lillian Miralez will serve. That one nailed by Kalani Brown. 7-0, and we have a timeout as Coach Hederman is going to voice his concern with his girls to let them know, hey, we're down 7-0 in set number 3. Even though we're up 2-0, we need to refocus. Miralez, Lillian will serve. Fredericks. Kalani Brown, nice dig there. First Baptist unable to play it out of the net. Lillian Miralez on a service tear right here. Rolling up points. Kalani Brown coaxes it over, gets a kill, and it's 10-0. The wheels are coming off the Lady Eagles bus right here in the third set. And an unforced service error. You can see Coach Hederman breathed, just like let out a sigh of relief. Whew. And not what Coach Cahill wanted, for sure. You're on a road. You want to continue the domination. Lentz to serve. That one's out. Ten to 2 now. Lady Spartans set number 3. They're behind 2-0 in sets. Lentz with the serve. Kalani Brown dinks this time. First Baptist able to keep it alive. This ball's still alive. Fredericks. Big hit. Nice dig right there. Still alive. First Baptist. Good point here. Both teams making big plays. Lady Spartans get the better of that one, though. (11-2), and Jordan Earhart will serve. Fredericks. Kalani Brown long on that hit. They played out that point, both teams, with some good, stellar play. Leanne Hoffman to serve. And that one, although it pushed Kalani Brown off her mark a little bit, she was able to guide it into the right spot to put her team up 12-3 in set number 3, and Kalani will serve. That one's out. Jacqueline Fredericks. A little back and forth right here. Dink shot. Still alive. Earhart just gets it over. She just had enough where it got over the net. First Baptist had no way of getting that one back. 13-4. Salmon. Go down, nice dig by Kalani Brown. Unable to play it off of there though. Control wasn't exactly what Kalani wanted. It got too close to the net and unplayable by one of her teammates. 13-5. Thirstrup on the serve. Point to the Lady Eagles It looked like that time Salmon was running to go set up a play and no one tracked the ball. Thurstrup, high floater. That one was tipped. Kalani Brown tried to get out of the way to no avail as she sensed that one was going to go out of bounds. 13-7 now. Lauren will serve it again for the Lady Eagles. Nice kick. Nice kill there by Aliyah Garrett. The Lady Spartans ahead 14-7. Set number 3. Dink. Fredericks got that one. We got a carry. Oh, yeah, a double hit. 15-7 now. And Garrett will serve. Lady Spartans, nice save. This one's got to go over. Does. Point to the Lady Eagles. Madison Jones will serve. Miralez unable to get that one over. 15-9, the Salmon lead. And Jones will serve again. Go Dan. Not sure whether or not that one was going to come over. Marissa Brown on the serve. Brown with a block. Excuse me. Kalani Brown with a block at the net as Fredericks nailed it right to her. Marissa Brown serve. Fredericks knocks it into the net, and Coach Hederman takes a timeout. 18-9, the Salmon lead here in set number 3. Marissa Brown to serve. And point to Lady Eagles. In fact, the Lady Eagles have gotten four of their 10 points, 40% of their points, off of unforced service errors. Godin to serve. Those service errors, by the way, made by the Lady Spartans. So I must go back to my favorite saying, if you don't make mistakes, you don't get beat. As once told me by the old Bayou coach, you don't make mistakes, you don't get beat. Miralez to serve, 19-10, set number 3. Lady Spartans went up 10-0 and have been able to maintain pretty much maintained that lead. We're late in set number 3. (20-10). As Kalani Brown adds to her kill total. And Mireles, who ran off 10 straight points and then did that. And that's the 5th unforced service error in this set for the Lady Spartans. Take that 5 points away, and if they'd have scored those 5 points, they'd have won 20-6. That didn't happen. This is where we are. Lentz to serve. 20-11 at this point. (21-11). Some miscommunication there with the Lady Eagles. (22-11). Salmon, set number 3. Earhart on the serve. Long, 23-11. (24-11). Lady Spartans 1 point. Set point right here. And another unforced service error. Leanne Hoffman to serve. That's the game. That's the set. Lady Spartans come back to take set number 3, 25-12. We'll go to set number 4 with the Lady Spartans down 2-1 in sets to First Baptist Christian Lady Eagles. Set 4 underway with an unforced service error. Godin to serve. That one pounded into the net, 1-1. Madison Jones unable to get that one over. Mireles to serve. That one is out. 2-1. Mireles started set number 3, went on a 9-point in a row service tear that helped push her team out 10-0, and they went on to win. Nice dig by Jones. Kalani Brown makes it 3-1, Lady Spartans. Three to two as Brown knocks that one in the net. Cheyenne Lenz checks in, she'll serve. 3 to 2. Lady Eagles trying to wrestle back that momentum that the Lady Spartans gathered up in set number 3. Fredericks. Good block, good save. That one in. Kalani Brown coming up big. Jordan Earhart will serve it up. Unforced service error again. 4 to 3. Leanne Hoffman to serve. Low placeage from Kalani Brown makes it 5 to 3. And Brown will rotate back and serve. Six, 3. Revere takes a tumble there trying to get to that one, but the point goes to the Lady Spartans. 7-3 lead now. Set number 4. Fredericks. Jacqueline Fredericks with a kill. It's been a while since I've said that. Fredericks was pretty stout in sets number 1 and 2. This is set number 4. Pretty good serve right there and a pretty good return. Go Dan. We got a double hit. 7-5. And Fredericks will serve it again. That one's out. 7-6 as Fredericks has found her niche again right there with the rocket serve. Boom. We're tied at 7. That one's out. It's 8-7. You'd have to go back to the end of set number 2. We're in set number 4. 8-7 since the Lady Eagles have held the lead, and this is how they rolled in the first 2 sets, using Frederick's serve amongst other things, a dink, and all of a sudden you can feel a momentum change. Lady Spartans kind of cruising along, and now 2 points ahead, and you can tell they're ready. Ten, 7. From down 3 to up 3, and Fredericks laces one right through the middle. Got to think it's close to time for a timeout for the Lady Spartans to regroup. And Coach Cahill agrees. Down 5 now after being up 3 in set number 4. The Lady Spartans have to regroup. Lady Eagles up 12-7 set 4, 2-1 in sets. Fredericks will return to her serve. Ooh. And that was a fast curveball right there. $13-7. 14-7. Somewhere between the second set and now, Jacqueline Frederick and the Lady Eagles took a hiatus, but they're back now. Godin with the kill. Confidence now re-exuding itself through the uniforms of the Lady Eagles. 15-7. 16-7. Conversely, the Lady Spartans have lost the confidence that they rolled through set number 3 with in the beginning of this set. Jones into the net. Nine straight points for the Lady Eagles has ended. Stasia Jackson will serve it up for the Lady Spartans. And that hit from Lexi Revere was just enough to catch the Lady Spartans off guard. 17-8, excuse me. Thirstrup back in and serving. Dink. Good save by Salmon. That one out. Godin cross court, knocks it out. Aliyah Garrett to serve. Dink. Godan had that. Miscommunication. (17-10) now. Garrett. Nice kill from Kalani Brown. Lady Eagles went back to kind of dinking the ball, and that didn't pay off. Aliyah Garrett on the serve. Now that paid off. That dink caught everybody off guard. (18-11) now. 7 points. Madison Jones, 7 points from winning it all. We got a double hit. 18-12. Marissa Brown. Gets her team a point on the serve. 5-point lead now for First Baptist. Salmon trailing by 6 points. Frederick catches the tape at the top of the net and gets her team a point. 13-9. Olivia Godan to serve for First Baptist. Kalani Brown using a little placage there. She's used that effectively throughout the game. Spot an opening, put the ball in that opening where the defender cannot get to it. Miralez to serve. (19-15). Miralez. Fredericks with a big kill. 20-15. Cheyenne Lenz checks back in, will serve. 5-point lead with 5 points to go for the Lady Eagles. Violation. Serving violation. Salmon. Jordan Earhart to serve. Both teams making plays at the net right there. They got to go up and over Kalani Brown. That's set. Double hit. Back-to-back crucial points there. Service error and now a double hit from Earhart trying to set up Kalani Brown. Hoffman. Kalani Brown. 4-point lead with 4 to go. Kalani Brown to serve. Down 4 points. Big point here, back and forth, back and forth. Fredericks caught the tape again. Jacqueline Fredericks coming up big. And here's the most important thing, she gets the serve. She has been a terror on these serves. 5-point lead. 6-point lead. 2 points away from the game. They're up 2 sets to 1. I want to try to close it out here. Frederick, another big hit. It is set and game point right here with Jacqueline Frederick, and the ball resting in her hand. Good save by Earhart. Dink. And that'll be it. 3 sets to 1. Lady Eagles over Lady Spartans. We'd like to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Bolt, director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, my cameraman tonight, Dave the Ray Williams, and Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night. God bless. You be good. You are now leaving the prep zone.